Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Glad you're able to be here with me for this video. Got a couple things I'm going over today. It's just a short video. I'm just going to do a fast little update. I'm going to go over the group build. Let's see here. The group build is being put on by Woody's Scale Model Garage. It's the Rock and Roll on Wheels group build, and I think this is going to be my entry into it. It's the 70 Plymouth AAR Cuda. And it's a car that I had a long time ago, and I lost it in moving, and I lost track of it, and I had an opportunity to buy another one, so I bought it. It's been in the stash now for probably 3-4 months. So I'm going to do my group build based off from the song performed by Heart, Barracuda. The release date for the song was in March 1977. This is a 70 Cuda. It's a nice little car. We're going to make it pretty close to the color on the box art. It's got a 340 with it. And not going to do the unboxing tonight, but I will show you when I bought it, somebody had cut into it. Maybe I'm going to show you. Wow. The package, the car actually comes through in this green. I love this green. I actually bought a Kawasaki four-wheeler because it was this color back when Suzuki came out with the Quad Sport. But it's got everything. It's got the stripes that go along with it. So we'll save that for another day. We're just going to do the just the announcement of the build tonight, and I will do the unboxing in another video coming up. Learn about this build from Craig over at Craig's Corner. I would recommend both channels, Woody's Scale Model Garage and Craig's Corner. Great channels, a lot of how-tos. I've just recently today discovered Woody's Scale Model Garage, so I'm starting to work through a couple of his videos. I've watched an awful lot over at Craig's Corner, a lot of tutorials over there. Guy goes over a lot of stuff. It's worth looking at. So I guess that'll close out this video. We're in the middle of the Subaru Brat right now. We're coming to the close on my stock car build for Dragon Blanchard. We'll start this project alongside the Street Machine build that's being put on by Blue Ox Model Shop. And those will be the next two builds coming up. And as soon as we finish this car or the Mustang, I'm going to probably going to jump into the 1/16 Thunderbird, get that one rolling. So appreciate everybody that's followed along. Appreciate all the subscribers. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment if you got anything any questions or anything to talk about. And until we see each other again, everybody out there, stay blessed.